Good morning. Welcome to today's fact analysis. Today, I, Tushar Mandal, bring this fact analysis to you, and our subject is AI, artificial intelligence. So, now, as we all know, artificial intelligence is the intelligence shown by the machine in par with the natural intelligence of humans is called artificial intelligence. That's one of the definition. The computer program is made to learn, think, and act accordingly to the human beings. So we can say that we are making the human smart. The best examples are like speech recognition and image recognition. So now let's get to the definition given by the father of AI, Mr. John McCarthy. Mr. John McCarthy described AI as the science and engineering of making intelligent machine, especially intelligent computer program, is artificial intelligence. AI is that sector in computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work, operate, and react same like us human beings. AI is used in decision making by the machine considering the real time scenarios. An artificial intelligent machine reads the real time data, understands the business scenarios, and react accordingly. Some of the activities that artificial intelligence machines are designed for are speech recognition, learning, planning, problem solving, and many other things that us human can do. AI has become a very important part of the information technology. AI has a highly technical and specialized research associated with it. The biggest problem with AI include coding and programming computers for certain functions like knowledge, reasoning, problem solving, perception, learning, planning, ability to manipulate. This is the are the processes that we humans are making the machines to do. So, in simple terms, AI can be described as the process of transforming a computer into a computer controlled robot or designing a software that thinks, reacts exactly the way human being thinks is what AI all about. Now, here are some myths and facts taken from the book Life 3 Pointer. The first myth is super intelligence by 21,000 is inevitable, or super intelligence by 2100 is impossible. But we are not sure. It can may happen in decades, it can happen in centuries, or AI can be possible never. AI disagrees simply and don't know. They don't know the exact time when the AI can fully function like a human being. The second myth is only luddites worry about AI. But the fact is that many top AI researchers are concerned about it, and many big tech like Google, Microsoft are already working on it. The second worry is that AI turning evil or AI turning conscious. But our actual worry should be that the goals of us human beings will not align with the goals of the AI when it turns conscious. So there would be a misalignment of goals. Myth, as we saw in Terminator movie, that robots can turn evil or they can extinguish the whole society, human society. But the fact is, misaligned intelligence is the main concern. AI doesn't need a body or any of physical structure. For its only internet is enough to affect the whole human society. Another myth is that AI can't control humans. But as we know, intelligence enables to control. For example, tigers are far more furious beasts than we are. If it wants, it can kill us in few seconds. But still, since we are more intelligent than tiger, we are able to imprison it in the zoo. Similarly, if AI is launched or it becomes conscious, it can take control over us. The chances are there. Next myth is machine can't have goals. But as we know, the fact is a missile also has a heat seeking goal. And the next last is super intelligence is just years away. But the real fact is it's a decade away. But it may take that long to make it safe. These were some myths and facts. Now, let's come to the goals of the artificial intelligence. The goal of artificial, the goal of AI is divided in two parts. The first part deals with its need to create intelligent and expert system, and second part deals with to inculcate human intelligence into the machines. In the first part, the development began to of making a system that exhibit intelligence behavior. The expected function of these machines are learning, demonstrating, explaining, and advising its user. For to inculcate intelligence into the machines, we need to create or develop a software that understands, learns, and behaves like human. Our next question would be what contributes to artificial intelligence? AI is essentially science technology that is based on various disciples. The areas of studies like computer science, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering. The main objective and major challenges in an AI is developing the computer functions associated with the attributes such as human intelligence, which includes reasoning, learning, reacting, decision making, and problem solving. One or more multiple attributes from the one mentioned above can be used to develop the intelligent machine, which were computer science, psychology, neuroscience, as given in this picture. Machine learning or ML is a core part and subset of AI. Making machine learn without any kind of supervision is very difficult and hence requires the ability to understand the data, like identifying the patterns in streams of inputs. There are many different algorithms in machine learning to which are used for mathematical analysis and computational learning. Robotics is another major field that is somewhat related to AI. Various tasks handled by the robots are navigation, object manipulation, etc. The sub problems being localization, mapping, and motion planning. So now let's come to the applications of AI. AI has a vast application. Its application can be seen in many industries, beginning from astronomy, healthcare, transport, agriculture, education, e commerce, entertainment, robotics, automotive, social media, data security, finance, gaming, and many more. Many more industries are left which needs the help of AI, and many more industries are inculcating AI in the regular basis. Now let's come into few applications such as AI in astronomy. Artificial intelligence can be very useful to solve complex universe problems. AI technology can be helpful for understanding the universe, such as how it works, origin, etc. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. As we know, during the pandemic, the healthcare industry has been in its edge. So AI can provide a support that help the healthcare industry to bring back its glory. In fact, 5 to 10 years ago, AI became more advantageous for the care industry and going to have a significant impact on this industry. Healthcare industries are applying AI to make a better and faster diagnosis than humans. AI can help doctors with diagnosis and can inform where patients are worsening so that medical help can reach to the patients before hospitalization. Here are the 10 applications of AI in healthcare. So please pause the video and take few minutes to read this application. You will be amazed by the applications. Now, the second, the last application, that is AI in gaming. As we know, gaming industry is boosting nowadays. People are more aware of the gaming industry now rather than they were before. AI can be used for gaming purpose, like the machine can play strategic games like chess, where the machine needs to think a large number of possible places, and many more. AI has many more application, but since we don't have time, so we will cut it short to this only. Rest, you please research on AI if you are really interested. And I would like to end the video. Thank you.